I see you, buddy.
Ready?
Come on. Already.
You know about the bike?
Do you know about it? Let's video you. Come on this side. I don't care. He doesn't know the bikes anyway. Turn him around. Turn him around over there. Look at him.
He knows more than you, Wiqed.
What's up, guys? It's Wiqed with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, bringing you the pre-owned bike of the week. We have a 22 Street Glide Special in the matte black and chrome finish. It is powered by the M8 114 motor. It's got a lot of cool stuff on this bike. We'll start over here. It's going to have the Screaming Eagle slip-on exhaust. They did put on some mini boards in the back, the Streamliner, highway pegs up front. Back here, we're going to have the 4-point docking hardware, the detachable sissy bar. It's got a detachable luggage rack. I did notice in this pass by that it does have LED turn signals in the back. Up front, we've got 12-inch ape hangers, heated grips. It's got the Rockford Fosgate front and saddlebag system with the Fosgate amp in the saddlebag. It's got the RDRS, the Reflex Defense Rider System. What that's going to do for you, it's going to have hill assist. If you're on a hill, incline or decline, you can pull your front brake and it will lock into place. It has traction control. It's got rain mode. It has tire sensors. Man, if you want to come in and take this bike out for any test ride or any other bike we have, come and see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson.